In this video, we'll demonstrate the process for setup and onboarding Mobilytics sensors. Using the Mobilytics mobile app, you will need three things in order to begin. First, a mobile phone with the Mobilytics mobile app installed. Second, credentials as a Mobilytics installer, admin or super admin for your organization. Third, a Mobilytics sensor with USB power cable and power adapter. To get the Mobilytics mobile app, you can download it from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Pause this video now to use this QR codes to get the app. Let's start by logging into the mobile app using your personal credentials. The first thing you'll see after signing into the app is the home screen. It's a place to get started on common tasks. Near the top of the screen, you'll see three large task buttons. Select the button titled Add New Sensor to get started. This part of the app will guide you through a step-by-step process to set up and onboard your Mobilytics sensor. The first step is to register the sensor with your Mobilytics account. To do so, you can scan the QR code found on the back of the sensor by selecting the Scan QR code button at the bottom of the screen. You'll be presented a special screen where you can line up the back of the sensor with the camera. Once you've registered your sensor, you'll have the opportunity to set its name, time zone, and its location details. Here we're going to call this location Bob's Bar and Bistro. Select a time zone by searching for your region. Lastly, we're going to put the sensor into a space we have already defined called Hotel Winston, then into an embedded space called Floor 1. If you don't have spaces created and you've entered all the information, click Done. Next, we'll need to connect the sensor to Mobilytics servers in the cloud. Select which method this sensor will use to connect to the network, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or cellular. If you're connecting via Ethernet, make sure to plug the Ethernet cable into the sensor before continuing. If you're connecting via cellular, you'll need to connect the Vodafone cellular modem to the sensor's USB port. If you are connecting via Wi-Fi backhaul, this is performed by connecting a mobile phone to the Mobilytics sensor. Start by connecting the USB power cord to the sensor. Then wait for the three LEDs, one red and two green on the Mobilytics sensor to blink in unison. If the LEDs don't blink in unison, your sensor was previously deployed, and you will have to reset the sensor by pressing the reset button and holding it pressed for 10 seconds. Then allow the sensor to restart and display the three LEDs blinking in unison. This LED configuration means that the sensor is broadcasting an access point. Then click on Next. In order to connect your mobile phone to the access point of the sensor, press Open Wi-Fi Settings. Use the native functionality of your mobile phone to select the access point broadcast by the sensor. The access point of the sensor is broadcast is at Mobilytics-XX-XX. The XXX corresponds to the last four characters of your sensor's MAC address shown on the underside of your sensor. The location of the last four characters of the MAC address are highlighted in red in the image following. No password is required. Once connected to the sensor's access point, return to the app to confirm the connected status. If connected, the mobile app will move immediately to the next screen. In this step, select a network from the available list and provide its password. Once the password is set, click on Next. The sensor will establish a connection to the internet using the chosen network. The sensor will now appear as online in the web dashboard, as well as in the mobile app. Once the sensor is online, calibrate the sensor. To finish the setup, you have three options to calibrate the sensor detection zone: distance-based calibration, ground truth collection, range detection. See Mobilytics web documentation to select among these options and to guide you through your selected calibration method. This wraps up our demonstration of new sensor deployment using the Mobilytics mobile app.